Welcome back to another exciting unboxing that I may release at one point in the future. We'll see. I also got in on those Amazon Prime Elgato days. Let's just get rid of the color calibration. Not that gray cards are really calibration, but you know, it's better than nothing. So today I picked up the Elgato Cam Link, which is a capture card, like a USB capture card with just HDMI in. So it wouldn't work for things like streaming an Xbox without a splitter before this. Which, if you have a really fast splitter, but this is slow, or you find capture cards slow, you may be able to eke out a little bit more frames than you would normally. But it's not worth it. This is made for cameras. Putting cameras on your stream. Well, let me grab a camera. So most people, this sort of thing's built for, say, like a camcorder would be a good one. A GH5 or 4 would be a good one. Pretty much any of the Lumix ones. It does up to 1080p 60. That's my compressor. Of course, 720, 60, 30, all that fun stuff. I'm going to use it to bump the camera stand with my nipples on either this old Sony F3 or the completely overkill 70D that I'm currently recording on. And if it doesn't work for either of those, I'm just going to buy a camcorder because I have more money than sense. Even though I don't have any money, which means I don't have any sense. Anyway, what has it got to say on the outside? It's just that you can unleash your camera, alright. It's got a obviously Canon camera on the back here. So that's probably like a TI something. One of the newer ones that does 1080-60. My camera's just before they started doing that. You level up your content, simplify your workflow, plug and produce. Alright. It requires a Mac Sierra or Windows 10. And a USB 3x port. So probably any USB 3 port that you can get your hands on. Let's try using a knife. We are still on the paint stream set. As you can see, there's just minis and all sorts of stuff. Just everywhere, all over the place. Let's leave that there. Alright, it comes in a nice blue box. I've actually never used an Elgato product. They used to be really bad. Elgato USB 2 cards were like the worst thing. And I bought a Blackmagic card because I'm not insane. Way back in the old days. Back in the old days! Which was max 1080-30. Which would work great for these cameras I have. But Blackmagic cards are finicky and kind of pain in the butt. Or at least the old ones are, the Intensity Pros. The new ones might be not so bad. But the 4K apparently has its own problems. So, let's see what we got. Go and get your HD camera software to get started. Okay, I'm not going to do that yet. It comes with, let's see. Let's look at the accessories. A very small warning book. Important safety instructions, general instructions. Oh, choking hazard for children. Don't buy your kids capture cards. It does have a sticker. Throw that in the garbage. You don't want to tell people to use Elgato products. And we have a very light cam link. There are a bunch of these style things. Magewell makes one. And then a bunch of people probably either buy it from Magewell or license where Magewell makes it in the first place and then, you know, gets an inferior one. And all the difference is your software. So we'll try the Elgato software on the paint stream and see if it works any better. And you get a USB 3 extender, which is good because I don't have any more of those, so I'm going to need another one. This is nowhere near long enough for anything. What? This isn't an extender. Like, if you need this much more cable, you got bigger fish to fry. Like, I guess for me, with a laptop, this kind of works because I can kind of stick it down into the desk. But like, if I had a desktop, this cable's useless. Anyway, let's stop harping on Elgato. Maybe they've gotten better over the years. Lots of people use them. People don't seem to complain, so You know, I guess I'm Civvie, and I'll see you guys next time.